Here's a working, restored Cadillac. I believe it's for 67 or 68. This one is configured just like my 68 DeVille. Underneath, you can see there's a red light tube that goes to this marker that indicates cruise is on. I believe it's on light. The switch assembly I bought new old stock, and I installed it. I made up the wiring so that it would work on the 68 installation with that setup. I have another one without that extra light, and it's a slightly different wiring on the connectors. The switch works. They usually fail, but this thing works. It's hard to do one-handed, but this is the momentary back on and then off. See? On, momentary. Spring loaded. Now what fails a lot on these is this the rotating dial and the piece inside. So I had to fix that with the NOS. This is out all the way. When I rotate the dial, it's hard to get on the one picture. The end piece goes in just like it should. That's what controls your speed on the dial. There's no problem with it. It's not broken. In fact, it's new old stock. That rotates that piece inside there with my thumb, comes back out, moves the whole wire assembly. Everything's good. Should be a nice piece. I'm tempted to keep it as a backup because my 68 DeVille, this switch was busted, and the gear was actually working, but a lot of them have failed. The switch is busted. And the light was messed up. So I had to work around it. So it'd be nice to keep this, make my Cadillac perfect.